Oh my God. Welcome to the 1991 Honda CRX DIY Restoration Series brought to you by Resin Auto Co. That was really cool, Eddie.
Not to mention, it's low on air, so imagine that. Slow it down.
So you could do a burnout. This gem of early 90s Honda history has been sitting up on this lift for a few years now. All I was told was that it had everything I needed in order to restore it to its former glory inside. And this is the first time that I'm taking a look inside of it. Wow. This moment is about 2 years in the making, so I'm beyond stoked as I'm filming this. What a great project.
Dum dum dum.
I want to see. Yeah, I'm scared. Oh, not bad.
Everything is there.
Everything is there. Need to be cleaned a little bit. That's all right.
This is just like the engine I have on the other side too.
Really?
Yeah. D15, D6. Nice. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Is our car coming? Nope.
It's gonna go this one.
Anything?
You got it?
Yep.
That's heavy for 2,000 pounds. Oh my God. That was awesome. And that lineup in the background makes this shot even more iconic. Come on, old girl, get on up there. Frankie, the super nice tow truck driver, who also, by the way, happens to make absolutely fire tres leches and delivers it to your house in the South Florida area, transported the CRX safely back to my house and got it inside of the garage with Heather's help. And then the real fun started. I'm an 80s baby, 1983 to be exact, and that was the same year that the CRX was born as well. So while I was alive during this car's production run, I vaguely remember it, since I was only 8 years old when this particular car was built. I've only seen very few complete cars with the interior intact, so this was going to be an interesting puzzle to solve. The previous owner was right. Everything was in here, and then some. The Del Sol was my first ever project car, and not only did it run, but the interior was all put together as well. So this was going to be a challenge, and just the challenge that I needed in order to take my DIY game to the next level, and so you guys can stop picking on me for not welding in the comments. Anyway, it reminds me of that reel on Instagram that I come across every so often, the one of that guy that was finishing up a sick Toyota Celica from the early 2000s, and then there's this voiceover saying something to the degree of,
Want to learn a new skill? You just get yourself in so deep that the only option is to figure it out.
I was feeling that and then some right about now. There it is. Yes! What the fuck is this? I know this is like probably super cute for whoever did this, but like this is one of the hardest pieces to find for this car, and there's like mariposas on here. I mean, it's kind of cute. As I dug deeper into the pile of parts and interior pieces, I found some neat things, including this epic original owner's manual. While I was cleaning out the interior, my friend Shane, another Honda lover and mechanic, stopped by to check out what I had gotten myself into. He thought it was really cool to see one of these things in person again. From there, I had to figure out how to rip the carpet out, and then I tackled the 34-year-old sound deadening. Crusty, nasty sound deadening. With about 10 pounds of dry ice, a ballpoint hammer, and a spatula, I fully removed all of the sound deadening, and I burned the absolute shit out of my knuckle on the dry ice. With all that nastiness out of the way, a few rusty areas revealed themselves that needed to be repaired, including this absolute disaster of a situation. Yup, that's where the driver's seat bolts in. Oy. Anyway, you'll see how I handle that in a future episode. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.